Hello, and welcome to Shiva's Grow Garden, and the first in our series of preparing a whole grain for easy digestion. In this section, I will show you how to prepare different types of grain for human consumption and how to combine them with different fruits, veggies, and other ingredients into some fantastic recipes that will surely amaze you. Up to now, we basically have been concerned with using grain for plant supplements and learning the effects that it have on them. Now we're going to flip the switch and show you how to safely prepare these grains for consumption. So let's get out to the sauce of things and discover how you too can prepare these grains for you and your family. But before we do, please give us a like, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Hey everybody, I hope everybody's doing fine today. Today I want to show you how to prepare grain for human consumption. This, what I have here is spelt. This is spelt, right? And the first thing you have to do is you have to wash it real good, and then you have to soak it, right? And once you do that, then you can start the process. So we're going to wash it. Really well. Right? And wash it with warm water. Okay. Pour it into the pot, and I have 4 cups of water here. This is 4 cups of water with vegetable bouillon. It's about a tablespoon of vegetable bouillon. So we let that soak. I don't have to cover it or anything, so we let that soak between 8 and 10 hours. After 10 hours, it'll start to sprout. So we don't want to sprout it. That's a subject for another time. We can get on it if you want to. But we let it soak between 8 and 10 hours, and I'll be back. Hey everybody, I hope everybody's doing fine today. We're going to continue on with our little salad making here. This is the grain after it's finished, and you can see it looks a little bit, it is a little bit al dente, if you understand what that means, right? A little bit nutty like texture, right? So that's the way it looks. I cooked it approximately 1.5 hours on a medium flame, right? And after it was finished, I just took it and pulled the water off and let it more or less dry out, you know. So what it looks like. So what we're gonna do now is add it to a larger bowl, right? Add it to a larger bowl, and we're gonna also add. These are spring onions, right? That's approximately 5 spring onions. Paprika, yellow and red paprika, 1 large red, 1 large yellow paprika. Do that now. Okay. Now we have some corn. It's a can of corn, regular old beef flat corn. Throw it in there too. Right? So now we have, this is black pepper, freshly cut ground black pepper, and about 3 garlic cloves. Right? That's all in there. This is 1/2 cup of parsley, right? 1/2 cup parsley. Go right in there, right? So now, what we're going to do now is we're going to put about 4 tablespoons of olive oil, olive oil in there, 4 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to also maybe put about the juice from, this is liquid lemon juice, right? So we're going to put maybe about enough for 2 lemons, maybe 2.5 lemons. Okay, we mix that all up. See how it's mixing it up? Right? And it looks wonderful already. So, mix that all in there, all up really well. So now how you get the flavor is you do that with salt and garlic. The garlic that I put in there and the salt and the lemon juice is going to give you the flavor. We're also going to add, this is herbs here, 8 different types of herbs, right? I buy them frozen. It's 8 different types of herbs, you know. Just put it in there. Right? It's frozen, but it's God. Put that in there. And we're going to put about 1 tablespoon of salt for right now, so we can tell basically what the flavor's going to be like. So, you got 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix. Taste it. So, this salad is full of amino acids, proteins, gibberellins, auxins, fiber, you name it. Very, 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 very healthy, especially if you are suffering from eczema. This combination here will relieve some of the pain for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you can try it one time if you want to have this recipe. Just try it on over to Shiva's Grow Garden. We're having it on sale now for $1. Download $1. It's really cheap. You can also find the book on Amazon.com. So, whichever you prefer. The salad is fantastic. Believe me, it is and totally healthy. So, okay. With that, I'm out of here, and I hope you guys enjoy your salad. Thank you. Thanks for watching. We hope you like this video. Here at Shiva's, we're not only concerned with growing plants from your balcony chemically free, but also with the consumption and benefits of preparing delicious 100% all-natural homeopathic whole grain herbal salads. These salads are high in omega-3 fatty acids and also aid in keeping inflammatory ailments down, such as eczema and acne. So stay tuned to our next video to get the rest of the story on preparing whole grain for human consumption. If you like this video, please give us a like, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news, discounts on our products, tools, and much, much more. Thank you.